Welcome to the Lawmaster Ibench training video. Ibench is a browser-based application for smartphones, iPads and tablets. It enables the users of the firm to gain online, real-time access to an integrated version of the Lawmaster Workbench and Matter Workbench for the Lawmaster databases. I'll now demonstrate the functionality available using an iPhone. Select the Lawmaster application. To log in, enter your username and password. You also have an option there to select Remember Me, and that will then retain your username and password for the future. Then select Login. When you log into Ibench, you are presented with the Recent Matters screen. These are matters that you have recorded time or file notes in the last 30 calendar days. From this screen, you can either connect to a matter or an entity. In this case, I'm going to connect to a matter, and it will take me to the Matter Workbench screen, where I can record a file note or a time entry. This feature is great when you are out of the office and you're wanting to capture your time and information relevant to this matter as you go. I'll now demonstrate how easy it is to record your time. I just tap into the file note area. Select an activity code. Enter in the units and then select Save. So it's now saved the folio and also the time. If I then hit the Matter Workbench up the top, we can see we've got some other details we can access with regard to our matter, such as the details, folios, bring-ups and contacts. If I now go into folios, this will then show me all folios that are saved on this particular matter. If I want to review any of these, I simply just tap the required folio. In this case, it's a document, so I'll then select it again and it will then open up into a new page. To close that down, I can then just hit the bottom right-hand corner and then go back to Lawmaster. You also have an Actions tab up the top, and this will allow you to close the document, send as an email, and also send with précis. When I select Send, it will then open up the email screen. In the To field, there is a search icon on the right-hand side. If I tap that once, it will then show me my matter contacts, and then I can select who I want to address the email to. If I tap again on that search icon, it will then take me to My Contacts. Select Done, and that will take you back to the email screen. And I'll just close that down. Select Actions and select Close. The next thing we're going to have a look at is your bring-ups. So these are your bring-ups for the matter. I don't have any here at the moment, but if I wanted to add a bring-up, I simply select the Add Bring-up tab. Enter in your details, put in your priority, complete by date, and then up the top, select Actions and hit Save Bring-up. The last one there that we will review is our contacts. We simply select Contacts, and that will then take you to your Matter contacts. This is the client here. If I select that contact, it will then show me all of his contact details. And then from here, if I select mobile, it will then dial the number, and the same process with the SMS. If you scroll down, you can then see the matters down the bottom that he's a client of. And from here, you can connect to those matters. But I'll close that down. The next thing we're going to have a look at, again, I'm just going to click back up to the top, and this time we're going to review the main workbench. So when we log into Ibench, it will default to the recent matters, which we have had a look at. If we select My Contacts, that will take you to your own list of contacts. You then have your bring-ups, and these are bring-ups that have been saved across the whole database. So these are for all bring-ups. And you can see there you can change the search type. It will automatically show you delegated bring-ups. If you want to change that, you can also select Owner. I've then just flicked into the summary. So this shows you your daily summary. So this shows you the time worked, the units and the value. You've got some searching capabilities as well within the Ibench, such as a matter search, entity search and folio search, and that will search across the whole database. So for example, if I select matter search, I can tap into that field and I can either enter in the matter number or put in the matter description. So for example, type in a matter number, then hit search. And that will then take me to the matter, which I can then select and open that up. You've also got inwards correspondence, so if you have mail sent to you through Lawmaster, you can also check that as you go. You've also got a contact us, which gives you the details to contact Lawmaster, and the last one on the list there is to log out of the system. And that brings us to the end of the Ibench training video. Thanks for watching. For feedback, please select the video feedback link and it will take you to our online survey. Thank you.